Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have swatches of ORLY Summer 2019 collection that is called Euphoria. There are 6 polishes in the collection, 4 creams and 2 glitter toppers, and one of the topper is a thermal topper, so this is something new, at least for me. I don't think I've ever seen a thermal glitter topper before. So I hope you will enjoy this collection as much as I do. And now let's get into the swatches. So the first one is On Your Wavelength, and this is very light, like washed out mint cream color. It covers pretty well on the first coat as for a light nail polish, but there are still some streaks, so I need to do a second coat. Second coat covers completely and evens out the streaks. I did a thicker coat though, so if you like very thin coats, you probably will need 3 on this one. The next one is Rosé All Day, and this is dusty pink color. This is one of my favorite shades of pink of all time, and it covers very well on the first coat, as you can see. For someone that is not very picky and in a hurry, it could be one coater. I know that I will need a second coat because I like when shade covers perfectly the nail. And as you can see, the second coat covers the nail completely. It is very beautiful and soft shade for everyone. I think that everyone will enjoy a shade like this one in their collection. Next one is Warm It Up, and this is a glitter topper with large hexagon glitter that changes the color from coral to white, and with medium-sized white hexagon and small peach hexagons. You get a decent amount of every glitter in a topper, so you don't really have to fish a lot to get all of the glitters on your nail. When it gets warmed up, the large glitters are changing their color to white, which is very fun. And I think it is the first glitter topper that I see that is thermal. It is awesome that we see such a thing in a mainstream brand. I don't ever see such thing usually. Maybe in some indie polishes, but I don't really recall something like that. And I do recommend this one as it is very original, and to be honest, I have nothing like this in my collection, and I don't know, just let me know if you've seen any glitter topper like this one that changes color based on the weather or temperature, better said. Next one is It's Brittney Beach, and this is a beautiful cobalt blue cream. The first coat covers very well, but I need 2 coats for full opacity. This is my favorite shade from this collection, and I think that it stands out a lot and it is very beautiful. It is perfect for summer, and I think it will be great for like all white outfit, and then this cobalt blue on nails, it will stand out and it will be very pretty. I think that this shade will be on everyone's nails this summer because it is just so in the summer and it is just beautiful. What is making this nail polish even better is that the formula, as you can see, it is perfect. It is just a must-have for me. Next one is What's the Big Teal, and this is a second glitter topper, and this one has pretty big triangles in a teal color and white medium-sized hexagons and small-size teal hexagons. And I'm applying this one over It's Brittney Beach. As you can see, small glitters you will get on your nails without any issues. For triangles, you do have to fish a bit, but not really too much. I think that putting this nail polish upside down for a moment before applying it will be enough to have triangles on the brush without fishing for them. I think this is a very unique topper. I don't have anything like this with triangles in my collection, and it looks amazing with all the colors from this collection, so this is great as well. And I also highly recommend this one. I think this is my second favorite from the collection. And last but not least, we have Muy Caliente, and this is very bright neon orange red. The first coat covers very well, but I still have some nail line visible, so I do need to do a second coat. But this one covers very even on the first coat. The only issue I have here is a nail line. And then on second coat, it covers completely. This is a perfect shade for summer, very bright and fun, and it will be amazing on tan skin. So this is it for today. I think that this collection is very original, very summery. I think that all of the colors are great for summer and everyone will find something for them. And also I need to point out that I was waiting for glitter toppers from ORLY since like few collections. Finally they put some glitter toppers, so I'm enjoying that collection a lot. I think that glitter toppers look great on each and every cream from this collection, which is always a plus. And yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite and if you like that collection or not. And thanks for watching. Bye!